Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I've got an interesting topic here to discuss today. Uh, Facebook group, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, Pino Tenerelli, uh, had a question about making 4x4 jack studs and king studs. And he also stated that he does not need to show necessarily the common studs. So I've got a basic box with some walls. I'm going to change the wall type definition of uh, each wall type that I'm using. I'd have to do this to every wall type. In my case, I'm only using the one wall type. I'm going to go to fir stud. This material is fir stud 16 on center. It used to be in versions past that's how it was created. That's how you did your studs 16 inches on center, but we don't do that any longer. I'm going to change this stud spacing to 100 feet. So it's not going to place common studs until every 100 feet on center. And then I'm going to change my stud width to 3.5. And I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to select all my walls and frame the build framing for the selected objects. It's going to ask me, hey, framing headers layer is not displayed. I don't want to turn that one on necessarily. But framing wall, yes, I want to show that. So I only get studs built now at the corners and my jack and my king studs. All studs are built as 4x4 studs in this case. So when I go to my framing overview, that's what you're going to see. You're going to see the jack stud as a 4x4. You're going to see this actually, yeah, jack stud, king stud, and then these cripples down here, which you could easily delete if you wanted to do that, or whatever, however you want to do that. So that's one quick way of doing what I think you're reading. I hope that's helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right. Take care. Have a great weekend.